This is AI Unveiled, Daily Brief, where we make sense of the AI world, one day at a time. I'm Asif Waliuddin, and today is February 13th, 2025. Let's unpack the latest. Anthropic is making strategic moves in the AI industry with several significant developments. The company has developed a new hybrid AI model that combines reasoning capabilities with traditional language model functions, offering a unique approach compared to competitors like OpenAI, Google, Alibaba, and High Flyer Capital Management. The hybrid model's key innovation is its adjustable computational resource allocation through a sliding scale measured in tokens. This allows developers to fine-tune how much reasoning the model applies to each task. At 0 on the scale, it functions like a standard language model, while higher settings enable more complex problem solving. This contrasts with OpenAI's 3-tier system of low, medium, and high settings, which some developers find less predictable in terms of token usage and costs. In terms of performance, the new Anthropic model shows particular strength in practical coding applications. When operating at maximum reasoning capacity, it outperforms OpenAI's current top reasoning model, O3 Mini, on certain programming benchmarks. The model excels specifically at business-oriented coding tasks, showing superior ability to handle complex code bases and produce working code on the first attempt. While OpenAI's models perform better on academic problems like competitive programming questions, Anthropic's focus on practical business applications appears to be paying off. The company's ambitious growth projections are particularly noteworthy. Anthropic expects to generate up to $3.7 billion in revenue in 2025, potentially reaching $34.5 billion by 2027. In their base case scenario, they project $12 billion in revenue by 2027, up from $2.2 billion in 2025. The company's monthly revenue grew impressively from approximately $8 million to $80 million throughout 2024, suggesting full-year revenue between $400 and $600 million. Anthropic's financial structure includes significant costs and strategic partnerships. The company spent $1.5 billion on AI model training servers in 2024 and $160 million in R&D staff costs, excluding stock compensation. They currently employ 915 people, with plans to expand to 1,900 by the end of 2025. Their partnership with Amazon involves a higher revenue sharing percentage compared to OpenAI's Microsoft arrangement, which takes 20% of revenue. The company is actively seeking $2 billion in funding at a $58 billion pre-investment valuation, while OpenAI pursues financing at a $260 billion pre-investment valuation. Anthropic plans to reduce its cash burn from $5.6 billion in 2024 to $3 billion in 2025, with the goal of becoming cash flow positive by 2027. Last year's high cash burn included a significant one-off payment for data center access. In the broader AI market landscape, Anthropic appears to be positioning itself primarily for enterprise customers, while OpenAI maintains a stronger focus on consumer applications. This strategic difference is reflected in their product design choices, with Anthropic prioritizing developer control and precise resource management. Their enterprise focus is evidenced by partnerships with companies like GitLab, LexisNexis, and Anysphere. The competition in the AI market is intensifying, with various players adopting different strategies. While companies like DeepSeek and Google's Gemini are pushing towards lower pricing, Anthropic has maintained its pricing structure, suggesting confidence in its technology's value proposition. The market appears to be splitting between premium, high-capability models maintaining pricing power and a larger segment of good-enough models competing on cost. Recent developments in the industry include significant investment pledges at Saudi Arabia's Leap Tech conference, totaling $20 billion. This includes $5 billion for a Datavault data center, $1.5 billion from Grok, with a Q for an inference data center, and $500 million from Salesforce. Additionally, several AI-focused companies have secured substantial funding, including Harvey raising $300 million at a $3 billion valuation, and Harness merging with Traceable to create a $5 billion combined entity. OpenAI's response to these developments includes plans to release GPT 4.5 Orion LLM and eventually combine their GPT and reasoning models into a single AI system, similar to Anthropic's approach. They've also updated their model spec document, emphasizing that models should seek the truth together with users rather than avoiding controversial topics. The legal landscape is also evolving, with Elon Musk's lawsuit against OpenAI reaching a critical juncture. Musk's lawyers have indicated he will withdraw his bid for OpenAI's assets if the nonprofit halts its conversion plans, highlighting the complex intersection of commercial interests and AI development's original nonprofit missions. The success of Anthropic's ambitious plans will likely depend on how well their new hybrid model performs in the market and whether they can maintain their technological edge while managing the significant costs associated with AI development and deployment. Their projection of API revenue reaching $20 billion by 2027, potentially triple OpenAI's projected API revenue, suggesting a bold bet on the enterprise market's growing appetite for advanced AI capabilities. Another day, another step into the AI future. Keep learning, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep being you. See you in the next one.